I'm gonna start a new challenge for myself. Ooh, yeah. Hi everyone, this is Yuwan. Like as a musician, composer, and performer myself, so I know like technology is very confusing for me, and also knowing different DAW and softwares can be a lot for my brain sometimes. And here we go, music finger, innovative technology for live players to play your music in a creative way. They introduced themselves like I can just control everything with my finger on stage. I was like, that's very interesting, but I still don't know how it works. So they said, why don't you try it out? And let's get it started. So as you can see, so logo is Target. No, not sponsored by Target, but yeah, reminds me of the Junji Ito, the whirlpool, but it's a very interesting one. Like the maze and attracts your attention. Wow. Tap to play. I think this is their slogan. They show me on them. It's like it's a little thing you can tap and they switch to things you customize for it. Oh, this is very nice quality. Very cute and very neat box. I think I can carry with me wherever I go. Very nice design. Inside there's a whole pair, like a little slipper. Well, slipper for your fingers. I think I can choose either to use both of them or just one for my performance. Okay, I wear one on. So they have the little switch, and they are like different clicks. I think I can customize later with the software to choose which, how many clicks for which track to play. Yeah, very crispy clicking sound. Nice. Good for hooking the box. And they also have, I think, the replacement for the sleeper part, and also the Type-C. Oh, like one for, so you can charge both at the same time. It's a very, very clean and neat design. I look forward to test them with my performance since I have one upcoming in early June in Tokyo. So I really look forward to use them in my performance and my practices. Stay tuned.